how to transfer liked songs to playlist on Spotify. So if you want to transfer liked songs to playlist on Spotify, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, here on the left side, you will have your library section. So you can go with your library. Once you're on your library, you need to go with the playlist and make sure that you're on your liked playlist or liked songs playlist. Now, in order to transfer these liked songs to another playlist, what you can do is first you need to create a playlist. So I'll just simply go with create, which is on the top left, and then go with create playlist. And here you need to give your playlist a name. So in my case, I'll just simply go with transferred songs, and after that go with save. After saving this, now what you need to do is go with your like songs, and on my like songs, like for example, I'll just simply go and share these 6 songs which are on the top. So you need to go and select the 6 songs at first, or you can also just simply press Ctrl A, which will select all of your songs. Once you've selected all of your songs from your liked songs, what you can do is press Ctrl C. It will copy all of the songs, and then go with your transferred songs folder or this playlist, and here you need to press Ctrl V, and that's it. It will add all of the songs to transferred songs folder. As you can see that I have all of the songs right here. So in this way, you'll be able to transfer liked songs to your playlist on Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.